Here goes Marion Munchies taking off.
I wondered what was wrong with me.
Hi guys, so it's Saturday night, RckBck is tomorrow. It's crunch time, literally all hands on deck. I have my boy say Jared kinda doing his thing, supervising.
I did my thing.
He did his thing, right? So Thunder's done, completed by Jared, molding, all the moldings. First things first, you're gonna wash on the car, then start to take it apart and then put it back together. Yeah? I don't want to press on it too hard, and then next thing I'll flick up my own thing and then I go coast. But is probably the easiest. I don't like it for practice more flicks.
So much skills.
You just went the pole. That's all.
That you can't dry it.
What kind of Eastman you is, man? I don't wash cars.
I don't see one.
What kind of Eastman don't know how to wash cars? I just flick them through water.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know you want to edit all that shit up, right? Kind of blocking you and me. Trying to make me look bad on you. We know nothing. You are now up to speed.
Now let me bring you up to speed. We know nothing. You are now up to speed.
You ever watch Pink Panther?
Yes.
1, 2, just not the cartoon, you know.
No.
You never watch a movie?
No.
My gosh, I see so disappointed in you sometimes.
Thanks. I return the sentiment.
I mean, Barry, you never see white chicks?
I never see white chicks.
You never see white chicks?
Yes.
Okay.
You ever watch the Flintstones movie?
Like live action?
Yeah.
Nah.
I watch Barney.
You know about the Jetsons?
Yes. Can't catch me there.
That's a kid show.
Give us an update. How you feeling?
I'm tired. It is. What's the time, dear Jared?
10:24.
10:24 and my eyes are burning me. That is the update.
Nice.
And you say you drop loads? How high that is, though?
Between that and the real?
That monster truck is
Nah,
supposed to be inside it,
I
though.
put the bump stop so that there is up the car.
Yeah, but cut that.
If I want to pour my car pretty fast.
Oh, get pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it up.
That's how long you take to pull up?
Yeah.
That looking free and insane, dog.
That's the whole car like that.
Huh?
That's it, sir. Wrap the car for PS2 on it. Get good at war.
Alright, you're about doing it.
Anything on
You're
the
about
car
doing
thing,
it.
dog.
You're about doing it.
The bonnet spoil it.
Yeah.
Good at war.
If I should do something with the bonnet, you know, but
Same black here.
I say to myself, the bonnet had a change.
Hey, after the show. So, I just sent a piece of over one time. Huh?
One time,
One time,
no.
run out there in prime, one thing.
The 35 had to organize it. Only when I have another daily, I will take apart my daily. Yeah, what's going on with this front fender here?
You just resting on. We don't come on.
Is it looking like it go wrong?
Is that what we were saying, man? You're walking on here, so no, we don't see that. It's going to rub you. Unless you plan to drive straight all your life.
Do you need assistance?
Yeah, again, fed up. You're gonna hit this some screw and call it a day. Because the time it's supposed to have something to bolt up to, but I ain't seeing it. Polish up the rim.
And that is a quick thing. Just had the buffing thing for the the drill bit.
I just need a helicopter above the rim.
Just off the fall down.
That's a surprise tool that can help us later.
I don't like it.
Can't think of that, G.
Lean on me.
Oh God, me doing like if it was a rent, we doesn't be doing them thing.
Can't fussy, man. You trying to pull me out of the deep, right?
Free or see.
I've been a nesty.
Get top in the morning, so I feel like baby King or something.
Checking in at 2 a.m. in the morning of the day.
When did we start? 10 something? 9
Yeah.
something?
10 something.
10 something.
How are you feeling?
Well, I don't like how the car looking, to be honest. Well, I like. It's a hit and miss, but I just had to live with it. It might be one of those things that eventually grows on me. Who knows? Tune in next time on RckBck Prep.
We tired.
Yeah, we're tired. We need to sleep. But the good news is we could wake up in the morning and just go straight to RckBck. What we had to check for now is rubbing in the front fenders.
And be rubbing on our stand, so.
And as you can see, we're already bringing up the fenders, but
I know, we're going to show the watcher.
yeah, we're not really here for perfection. We're just here for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah, you feel it.
Yeah. Anyways, home time. Let's go and sleep. Bye, guys. Alright, what are you doing right now? Emma? Right, you just keep going,
What's comments, concerns?
I'm concerned about this. I'm trying to get out the excess.
It looks like you're doing really damage.
Woo! I see some silver there. But I because I pull it. Pretty boy. Alright.
You like it or It hasn't even been an hour since you said you didn't like it.
It has certain angles I don't like it. But I because we have lights. It's good. So once I find like replace that with a brand new headlight or something.
This is how you're looking.
Alright, stop there.
You're in the gym or? comments, concerns.
So the car looking friggin' sick. Car looking insane, dog.
Let's get her in the light. Like that. Yeah. Look at them lights. Give us an update. What day is it?
It's after 2. Sunday after 2. RckBck has already started and I'm in 5 Rivers.
And we still fixing. And I are live people. I ain't going nowhere yet.
Yeah, so that is the updates. We are late.
Sure, that time. I don't know.
What's the plan?
Trims. On these last position to wipe them, put them on, and that should be it. Give the car a wash, wipe down the wheels properly, and be set to go.
Yeah.
I hope it fits. Can't remember how this goes. You saying that on video?
Yeah.
If I'm open, it can only go one way.
See if you want to ship anybody yet, but you can get my friend Marian, boy.
I thought by now you'd have stopped calling me, friend. I ain't gonna lie.
It's coming to come,
Yeah, well, you know, like them going on here to open up the gates.
No, the gates are open already.
Yeah, well, them going on there to sweep the floor.
Back and forth. Wax on. You know what we see from this angle? You understand? Ian and Pussy.
freaking sickness.
And I said, polishing the spokes, black spokes to make it shine. And this man polishing tires to make it look like a rip.
Well, that talk you talking, that Jackson Queen you had, they could have been fixing all now.
What Jackson talking about it?
That Jackson Queen. That car I ain't driving about 3 weeks.
Back up.
What? You boy looking for it, it's a wipe off yet, but wipe off then go to
He's so cute.
I feel embarrassed my side.
I sure you may just take it and wipe it all over the
He
rim.
did.
You have to rub it in, bro. Elbow grease. What is this you're doing? This is how your clothes supposed to look.
This is how it's looking.
You did nothing.
What do you mean?
You did nothing. It's supposed to be black and it have aluminum residue on it.
That's why, right, I come back for more. Because I literally waste half.
Dan, you just used 2 tube and toothpaste in one day.
I did not know how I was supposed to apply it.
But you a big cashew stance, man. And you don't know his autosol, man? Man, he's a big cashew, man. You have no autosol, you have no Amaral, you have no tire shine. But he going cashew.
This is literally my first cashew.
Dan, you say drop low is life, so I assume.
Because it is life.
No, that drop low is your life, you dead. No way. A man who understands don't know what is these products.
Yeah, boy, it's. And also, I get a little effective.
Okay, now start a word. Yeah, it have a buffing thing for it, you know. It have one. But a man say he is bringing it by, you know.
Had the buffing thing for the the drill bit.
No. I can polish me though. So by the time you done, my house is all done. Ease up. Like that. This first man's good. What you doing?
It's not as good as yours. I just do the section.
You do shit.
No,
Some of it in black.
I mean, how it's in black?
It's supposed to be black. And the black's supposed to turn chrome. Bro. Let me look see what shit. Rub until you get the result you want to see. But if you are the machine now, if you are the machine, I just say now. I can tell you, Rocky, drink it go a long way.
Say, oh, that's why.
Since we reach here, we doing you favors. Come on. Do we a favor now?
Alright. Lovely weather we're having here. Rainfall. Yeah, so I know I didn't say we wrap up, but we wrap up and we're on the way to RckBck right now. Trying to give away the full experience. I've never seen that before. Taking this fella. That's all it. I'll update on you when we reach to RckBck.
Love, bittersweet. I just be vibing on a beat, like my girl stick with tea. Gotta be a freak, I don't want